The Wraith is gotten from the Ghost, yet it has its own unmistakable, some may say dominant, identity. With a 624 horsepower form of the Ghost's V12, the wheelbase is shorter and the fastback body is remarkable. The Wraith is snappier and more deft than the Ghost, with a light touch to the directing and a tenderly controlled ride. Moves custom flourishes, with raised pivoted control entryways, the accessible Starlight main event, and a variety of alternatives that can dispatch the effectively elevated base cost into high circle. It's more capable and speedier than the Ghost, which filled in as the contributor auto for this colossal car. The organization had more than 7 crawls from the Ghost's wheelbase to make the Wraith. However, at 122.5 inches, the Roadster's wheelbase is still longer than that of a Chrysler 300. This, alongside a general width more noteworthy than most fair-size SUVs, 76.7 inches, and a controlling wheel the extent of a sewer vent cover, influences the Wraith to feel typically colossal. The sensation was exacerbated by our test course, made up to a great extent of English nation paths. To our shot, they gave off an impression of being just about the width of 1.2 Wraiths. Okay, yet a Rolls-Royce is as much about the extravagant inside as it is about capacity, isn't that so? Beyond any doubt. Also, here the Wraith doesn't disillusion, either. Its calfskin is typically rich, and its eyeball-like back vents are overwhelming, chrome-plated metal balls that move around easily in their attachments. The scattershot arrangement of catches and screens to control the abundance of electronic trinkets demonstrates that it is difficult to at the same time look like sovereignty and inert in the meantime. Gracious, and the wood. At this point you are aware of the preposterous care and consideration the wood facade get at a place like Rolls-Royce. There is no real way to legitimize the cost of a generally $300,000 auto, unless, obviously, you have $300,000. That is about where the Wraith will begin, altogether higher than the cost of the Bentley Continental GT. Be that as it may, suppose you need a main event with 1,340 individual fiber optic lights to reenact the starry atmosphere, all embedded and trimmed by hand. Indeed, that'll be $12,925 more. On the off chance that you need the Santus Palacinder secured entryway boards, spending plan for another $12,500. What's more, perhaps none of the 5 abdominal area and 29 bring down body paint shading alternatives is to your preferring. More cash.